This is how our refrigerator looks unorganized. In this video, I'm going to show you how to organize a small refrigerator. First of all, you're going to move everything out of your fridge. Make sure it's clean, so just wipe it down with some dish soap and water. Your fridge has different sections. If you know how to use them smartly, it's going to make your life easier. When you got everything out your fridge, make sure to check the expiration dates and trash everything that is not good no more. Start with the refrigerator door. Put medium-sized food things like hot dog sausages, marmalade, and other stuff in the middle shelf of the door. At the bottom shelf, you're going to put milk, ketchup, and drinks. In the drawers, you can put your veggies or fruits. In this other drawer, I'm putting my cheese and stuff I can put on the bread like butter. It's just way easier because it's so small. The middle shelf is used for meat and eggs and just big boxes that need a lot of space. The top shelf is for small things like yogurts or other things. And the bottom shelf is for everything I have left. I got a big melon there and some fruits. You can also put your food from yesterday you got in a pan. It's just easier. Also, your door has a top part. It can put some mayonnaise or other things like these coolant pads. This is how the fridge looks organized. I think it looks way better than before and you got a little bit of space left. So yeah, I hope you liked the video. Stay tuned and like and subscribe, and we would love to see you soon again.